the Tuna Bros Inc. back on the boat. Today we're headed to the Coronados. Gonna look for some yellowtail, but probably end up doing some rock fishing. Big weight. Thanks, buddy. We're gonna go pick up some bait right now. It is a beautiful morning. Testing out the new 360 camera. Should be a good time.
You guys going out to the islands?
Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah, man.
As always, guys, thank you so much for all the support. Do me a huge favor and hit that like button and that subscribe button if you haven't already. Make sure you stay tuned through the end of this video to see us catch an awesome halibut.
Yeah, we're going over it now.
Come on, bottom. Ooh, a big one.
Got one? Oh, I'm good. I'm good. You. I can't tell you how many we picked up on the boat. Oh, baby.
White fish.
Oh, whatever it is, it's small, but it's a fish. Oh. Lost him. Oh, yeah, that's a good one. Dude. That's a good one. This is the real kind.
Here's the motto. Get the gas. Oh,
Yeah.
nice.
You. There we go. Oh, dude.
Oh yeah, we like that noise.
Oh, big sheep. Another good sheepy. That's two.
Those chickens.
Look at that thing. Yeah.
Point at me. Atta boy.
Good sheepy. California sheep's head on the dropper. About 300 feet.